Hello, this is needlepointers.com, and today I would like to show you how I make half square triangles. This is what they look like. The first thing that you need to do is you are going to cut squares to one of each color, and how you know what size to cut them in order to get the right size triangle is whatever the finished square size is going to be, you add 7/8 inch onto it. That's what most people do. So I am doing 3-inch finished squares is what I want. So you would cut 3 7/8. But I like to cut it just a little bit bigger to make sure that when I sew it together it doesn't distort. So I like them a little larger, as I said, so I cut them at 4-inch squares. Also, I drew a line from corner to corner with a pencil on them. Then you put the two squares together, right sides together, and I like to pin them. Just place a couple pins, and you will be sewing a 1/4 inch from the line. So I have here a 1/4 inch foot, so I'm going to place it right on the line and then sew. Then you do the same thing on the other side. You sew a 1/4 inch from the line. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be cutting along that line, and I'm going to show you how you square it up to make sure that it's okay. You're going to cut along the center line where you had the pencil marking. Okay, I'm going to square up the triangle using a triangle square up ruler. As you can see on this example, I am a little off over here, so this is a way of making sure that you have it lined up and it is perfectly square. You place the ruler, and since my finished block is going to be 3.5 inches, that includes the seam allowance, you place the 3.5 inch right on where the seam is, and then you're going to be cutting to square it up. Okay, then we have to press it. If you are interested in seeing more photos and getting this squared up ruler, please click the iCard or the link in the description of this video, or visit our website needlepointers.com. By visiting our website and purchasing supplies through our links, you can help us keep making more videos. The next thing, as I said, we're going to press it, and you should set the seam. And that's just ironing it to set it. And then open it up, and with the tip of the iron, carefully press along the seam line. And the seam in the back should be pressed to the darker color. You'll see these little dog ears on there. Those should be cut off. And there you have finished your half square triangle. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and comment. Keep up with us by subscribing to our channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google+. Visit our website by clicking the iCard to find the link to follow us. If you are on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way of keeping track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of quilting projects and tutorials.